Hey friends. All right, this is our next day for our Noah lesson. All right, we've been talking about Noah from Genesis 6:5 through 7 verse 5. All right. So we've been talking about how God made Adam and Eve and how they lived in the garden, and God told them they could do anything except for eat from a certain tree. But remember, they disobeyed God, and he was so sad. Because they disobeyed, they had to leave the garden forever. And Adam and Eve left the garden, but they continued to grow, and they had more children. They had children, and all of those children had children. But remember, after a long time of being away from God, their hearts forgot about God, and so all the people in the world had yucky sin in their heart, and they were doing very bad things. They didn't even think about God. And so sin was so bad, yucky sin was so bad that God had to do something. He decided to flood the earth and clean the earth from sin. And so God looked down for anyone righteous, and he was only able to find one man, Noah. God decided to tell Noah about his plan. He told him to build a huge boat with many, many rooms in it. God told Noah that he would protect his family, and he told Noah that he would also send the animals to him so that they could be saved. And so Noah believed God, and he quickly got busy working. He quickly got busy building the ark. Noah warned people around him when they would come by to see what he was doing, but no one listened. They just laughed at him, and he kept warning people that one day God was going to flood the earth, but they just laughed. The day came when he finished the ark, and God sent all the animals 2 by 2 to enter into the ark. And then finally God told Noah to take his family into the ark and wait for the rain, and God shut the door behind them. Noah and his family waited 7 days for the rain, and then all of a sudden it started to rain. And it kept raining for 40 days and 40 nights. But Noah and his family and the animals were safe inside the ark. After 40 days, the rain stopped, but there was so much water that even the mountains were covered up. They were just floating and floating and floating. And so eventually they stopped floating, and they felt the water stop rocking them back and forth. And Noah realized, we have just landed on the top of a mountain. So he knew that some of the water was starting to subside. And so he sent a raven out of the boat, out of the ark, and it never came back. And so a few days later, Noah sent out another bird, a dove. It couldn't find a place to build a nest, so it came back. And after a few more days, he let the dove out again. This time it came back with an olive branch in its beak. Then one day he let it out again, and it never came back. Noah knew it would soon be time to leave the ark.